In this episode, I am going to create a HttpDelete method so that will accept a GUID, the product GUID, and delete that product. Okay, so let's write HttpDelete. Keep the method name as delete product. Okay, so what we can do, we can call the service delete product GUID. Okay, then return OK. So our delete product service has been implemented earlier. So where the product to delete is coming from the repository get product by ID, which is the product GUID, right? Let's make it GUID. Okay, product GUID. Then if the product to delete is null, right, we can also use is null, then throw new exception, the product GUID is not existed. Okay, otherwise product.delete product, so it is going to be deleted, then save. That's it, right? In case it throws exception, it will log the error and throw from here. So now let's give it a try. Let's create a request which is for delete product, and this is gonna be delete, right? And what is the URL? This is the same URL. We did not add additional attribute to the method, right? So save that. What do we want to delete? We want to pass the product GUID. So these are the product GUID. What we can do, let's delete one of the product. Let's choose this one. Okay, delete product slash. Okay, hit send. Not found. Okay, I know why it is not found. We have to update. We have to provide the attribute name, not attribute actually, that variable name, the parameter name, which is the product GUID, in the route. So we can specify here using, like you can say, we are going to expect a product GUID, type is GUID. So that is gonna be expected in the parameter. Okay, now let's send the request again. It says 200. That means the product has been deleted. I forgot to put the breakpoint. Let's get all product, right? We are expecting this white t-shirt. It's gonna be deleted. Let's copy it somewhere so that I can create that product. Let's put it here. Oops. This is the response. The body is here. Okay, let's okay, refresh, send request. Now we have the two product, right? Red t-shirt and green t-shirt is there, but the white t-shirt has been deleted. Okay, so now let's add the product back again. So we do not need to pass the product GUID, right? Then post the product has been added. Now let's delete that product again. This time I'm going to put a breakpoint here. Send. So we got the product GUID. Okay, so we're gonna step in. Oops. So product has been deleted. So I'm gonna create the product again. So this is our product GUID. Now delete the product again. Send. Okay, the product GUID. So which I want to do, I want to this time a step into. Okay, then F10 product to delete is available, right? Then F10 product delete. So this product is going to be deleted, the white t-shirt. F10 then return. Now let's send an invalid product, right? So this product GUID is not available in the database. Send. Okay, we want to go a step into. So product is now null, right? So it will throw exception that product GUID with this ID is not existed, right? If you continue, then we are seeing 500 internal server error, right? But this is not the correct error message. It's supposed to be something like bad request, right? Bad request with the explanation that this is a bad request because the product GUID is not available, right? So we will fix this error handling in our next lesson, where we will handle all the errors globally. So this error is coming from the delete. That can also come from the update product, right? So if the existing product is not available, it can throw exception, right? Which is also a bad request. And the delete product, it can be a bad request or not found. I say bad request. And let's say the get product by ID, right? If the product is not available, right, we can say not found, right, with the explanation, with the message saying that product ID and this product ID is not available, something like that, right? So this is something we can add in the exception handling. So in the next episode, I will show you how to handle all these different types of errors, like globally. In the previous episodes, I gave you two homework. One of them is like create an API endpoint to get the product type. The second was to add the product type, right? I hope you are working on this homework. If you face any issue, please let me know in the comment box. This time I'm not giving you any more homeworks. If you have any question or anything regarding this episode or any episodes, right, please write in the comment box to let me know, so that I will try to address the issue, your concern. If you have any suggestion or any different types of videos you're looking for, right, please let me know in the comment box. Also guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, and if possible please share the videos with others. Thank you so much.